Do you have a big movie idea that you're just dying to write, but aren't quite sure how to do it? Don't know how to compile and organize your ideas in a cohesive manner? Are you unsure of the rules of screenwriting, but are willing to learn? How to Write a Screenplay by Travis Sapala may just be the book for you. In it, Travis outlines very clearly the do's and don'ts of writing a screenplay. He will help you through the whole process, from coming up with a high-concept idea that is marketable, and walks through the steps to plan your story and characters out, write the script, edit and rewrite, and finally, how to get your finished screenplay out into the world. Travis's detailed and easy-to-understand text is accompanied by pictures and screenshots to help you see exactly what he's talking about and let you learn by example. No corner is unturned as this book walks you through everything you need to know on your screenwriting journey using tools like character webbing, screenwriting software, and online services to find producers looking for your scripts. So if you've always wanted to write a script to be turned into a major motion picture on the big screen, now you can find out how with How to Write a Screenplay by Travis Sapala. Click Buy Now to get it now.